Hi, I'm Paige.
And I'm Lo.
And we are both Microsoft employees focused on machine learning, artificial intelligence, Python-y things, different teams though. So I'm a cloud developer advocate.
And I'm working on Python tools for Visual Studio Code, Visual Studio, and Azure Notebooks.
Wow, lots of stuff. So Lo and I first met each other in 2010, is that right?
2010.
Yep, 2010 at, I like to call it physics summer camp, but it was actually
It was physics. It was space physics summer camp.
Space weather physics, oh my God, space weather physics summer camp in Boulder, Colorado, beautiful Boulder, Colorado.
Yes.
And we have both applied for an NSF research experience for undergraduates at LASP, which is the Laboratory for Atmospheric and Space Physics, because the only people who love acronyms more than Microsoft is NASA.
Oh my gosh, yes. It's so true.
Yeah, and so we were there. Lo, you ended up going back to CU Boulder to do your undergrad, right?
I did. So I fell in love and didn't want to leave.
Yeah. And I went back to Rice and finished up geophysics degree after taking a year off, or taking a year to go to China to do like Mandarin learning geoscience activities.
That's right. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, it was great. And immediately afterward, I went into industry. So I started off doing kind of specialized plugins for the energy industry. And kind of building out some of the infrastructure that we had there. And you...
Oh man, I went to grad school.
Yeah.
So like from that, when I met Paige and we sat 2 seats away, and
the fishbowl.
I learned programming for the first time that summer. I'm embarrassed to admit, it was only like 7 years ago. But
on IDL.
IDL, we're not going to talk about IDL.
If you can survive IDL, though, you can survive anything.
That's true. Let's talk about like throwing someone into the fire to start.
This is true.
But
so yeah.
We met there, and I fell in love with research that summer. Like I just completely was totally captivated by what we were doing. And so I ended up going for, graduating, getting a PhD in space science from the University of Michigan.
Yeah, and I did grad school at Rice in carbonate geology, and eventually turned into a data scientist at the energy company.
And I started as a data scientist at a small tech startup here in Seattle. So they imported me from Michigan.
And you were doing ads, right?
I was doing advertising. We were basically looking at television ads and trying to predict which ones would be successful.
Yeah, and I was doing sort of the same motivation, right? Except drilling performance analysis. So trying to find out how we could drill the best and most cost-efficient wells.
Yes.
So we were off doing that in different,
completely in our own worlds, like
different states.
Yeah, we'd still talk, and it was always
just like, hello.
Oh, Paige is doing this.
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden, one day, I see this Facebook post from Paige that's like, I have the greatest news in the world. I'm becoming a developer advocate for Microsoft.
And you were like, oh, hey, guess what? I'm starting at Microsoft on the same day.
Same day. I had gotten poached on a bike ride.
Yeah.
And
by my boss, apparently.
Yep, by Paige's boss. So we started here the same day. It was messy on my end, but we started here the same day.
Same day, and our bosses want us to collaborate on the same tools.
But little did they know.
That we already know each other.
Exactly.
Secret plan.
So you all can one day aspire to have your boss write you an email one day. It's like, it's really important for you to be successful at this job, that you get along and work well with this, young lady named Paige, who lives in Austin.
Yes, and it was amazing to me to be able to work again with you, Lo. Like this is delightful. Like yes. I can't imagine how many people are told that they get to work with their best friend.
I know.
So cool. Yay! So be on the lookout for additional videos coming. We're going to tell you all about data science, machine learning, Python tools, Azure notebooks, all of the above.
All fun stuff. So whether you're looking to start with machine learning, or you've even never used Python before, or you're advanced and you're looking to see what Microsoft has to offer, or just like pick our brains for knowledge, like come talk to us.
Absolutely.
We're gonna have fun.